Hello, my little ones. How are you all today, children? I hope you all are fit and fine. I'm your Goldie ma'am. Children, what did you learn yesterday in general awareness? Yes, we learnt about summer season yesterday. Right. Yesterday, children, we learnt about the weather of summer season, clothes that we wear in summer season, drinks and the food that we eat in summer season, and we also learnt about the things that we use in summer season. So let's first quickly revise them. Summer season. Children, summer season starts from the month of April and ends in the month of June. Summer season is the hottest season of the year. ग्रीष्म ऋतु साल का सबसे गर्म मौसम होता है. Dusty, dry and hot winds blow during summer season. गर्मी के मौसम में चलने वाली हवा को लू कहते हैं. The days are longer and the nights are shorter. ग्रीष्म ऋतु के दौरान दिन लंबे और रातें छोटी होती हैं. We feel very hot during summer season. The weather is generally hot and sweaty, but it is the most loved season of the year. Why, children, do you know? Because we have summer holidays. तपती गर्मी के कारण ही स्कूलों में बच्चों की छुट्टियां कर दी जाती है. We enjoy at hill stations. कई लोग गर्मी से बचने के लिए हिल स्टेशन पर चले जाते हैं. We also go to beaches with our family and friends. Also, we enjoy pool party at home and in school. Children play outside with their friends in the evening. Things we use during summer season. Children, we wear light colored cotton clothes in summer season. गर्मी के मौसम में लोग हल्के रंग के खादी के कपड़े पहनते हैं. We also wear hat to protect our head from heat. We wear sunglasses when we go out. We use fan, air cooler and air conditioner in summer season. Things we eat and drink during summer season. We eat mango. Yummy, yummy. Children, it is the king of all fruits and it is our national fruit. We also eat pineapple, muskmelon, watermelon, papaya, lychee. We drink lemonade, coconut water, watermelon juice, mango shake, and water. We should drink lots of water to keep us hydrated. बच्चों, हमें गर्मी में खूब पसीना होता है, इसलिए हमें खूब सारा पानी पीना चाहिए. In summer season, children will love to eat yummy yummy ice cream. Fruit custard जो आपकी मम्मा आपके लिए बनाती है, and jelly is also very yummy. Children, you know that there are so many things we can do during summer season. So let's quickly recite a rhyme and see what we can do in summer season. Hot, hot summer, the sun is shining, children are playing, juices are cooling, my ice cream is melting, let's go swimming, Had fun, children? So let's sing one more time. Ready? Hot, hot summer, the sun is shining, children are playing, juices are cooling, my ice cream is melting. Let's go swimming, Children, you have already learnt about summer season and winter season. So let's have some quiz time. I will be showing you few things. You have to tell me that in which particular season you use that thing. Ready? So let's get started. Look here, children, what your ma'am is wearing in the hands. Tell me. Yes, I am wearing mittens. So children, in which season do you wear mittens? Tell me, children. Yes, you are right. We wear mittens in winter season. Children, look what I am wearing. Yes, I am wearing sunglasses. So children, tell me, in which season do we wear sunglasses? Tell me. Think and tell, children. Yes, you are correct. We wear sunglasses in summer season to protect our eyes from the heat of the sun. Look, children, what I am wearing. Yes, I am wearing woolen cap. So children, tell me, in which season do we wear woolen cap? In which season do you wear woolen cap? Yes, good job. You are again right. We wear woolen cap in winter season. Why do we wear woolen cap? Do you know, children? Yes, to protect us from cold. Nowadays you are wearing woolen cap now because the winter season is going on. Children, yesterday I gave you the worksheet related to summer season. So here is the solution of the worksheet. Children, in this worksheet, you have to circle the things related to summer season. Do you love to eat an ice cream in summer season? Yes, so you will circle it. Do you wear muffler in summer season? No, so you will not circle it. Do you use cooler in summer season? Yes, so you will circle it. Do you wear woolen cap in summer season? No, so you will not circle it. Do you wear cap in summer season? Yes, so you will circle it. Do you wear sunglasses in summer season to protect your eyes from the heat of the sun? Yes, so you will circle it. Okay, children, goodbye. Take care. See you soon.